Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar.
My name is Yamni Sahai.
My name is Shani.
My name is Mubarak Ali.
This side Priya Kumari.
I am Rohit Kumar.
Myself Akansha Agrawal.
My name is Pooja Srivastava.
My name is Vishal Kumar.
My name is Shadmin Jahan.
My name is Nikhil Pratap Singh.
My name is Tanya Rawat.
My name is Rajni.
And recently we got graduated from FBA.
And I'm Gulshan Khatoon, facilitator of this batch. We all are going to share our experience of DL journey. Let's see.
So our DL journey was unexpected and unforgettable.
It was really great experience.
Fantastic and good.
Experience was great.
Fantastic. Amazing.
So memorable.
It was amazing.
Experience was great.
Class journey was awesome.
Yes, that was tremendous.
Really good.
It was fabulous.
And we enjoyed a lot.
Earlier I was not able to speak in English in front of anyone.
I was not that much
I
confident.
was a shy type of person.
I didn't have any environment to speak English.
I was very nervous and shy person. Even I did not have confidence.
When I joined FA, I faced some problem.
I was not much
I
confident.
was not able to express my thoughts.
You know why? Just because of less confidence that we have. I think this is the main problem that is facing by so many students nowadays.
After joining it, I improved myself a lot. If I talk about my skills, my languages, my personality development improved a lot.
I have more confidence. I understood all the written part and
I got any environment where I can speak English, I can develop my English and personality as well.
I improved lot of things there.
Like leadership, teamwork, problem solving, reliability.
I got to learn
Never give up and keep trying your best.
We learned many things.
like public speaking, leadership, problem solving, and how to take opportunity.
Leadership quality, communication skills, problem solving skills.
And after that, we learned how to give interview and how to speak in front of the people.
Improvement is something which comes by the regularity, punctuality, and also by taking all the tasks seriously. So they all took my task seriously. They were not like this, okay ma'am have given us something, why to do this, why to do that. They had done, if I have told them, yes, this is the asynchronous learning part, you have to read this article, this right now only, they used to hold their meeting then and there, and they had completed everything on the
I
time.
got to learn so many things here, like attributes, personal grooming, professionalism.
The different skills were reading, listening, writing, speaking, punctuality, regularity and all. There are so many skills that is available that I didn't ever know.
Like how to speak in public and how to overcome your difficult situation, how to handle situations and how to behave in inner also and outside also.
Plus, I enhanced my confidence level.
We got to know the different technologies that is available in the online platform.
I talk about the activities which I like a lot, that is group discussion, giving presentation, feedback round, interview round, and how to hold a discussion in main session as well as in breakout room.
the DL program was very nice because in this course, his course has divided into module, and every module has challenges for us because in every module there was a one contest.
We learned how to make a presentation.
So, in the FEA DL journey, we made PPT, we made documents, and we presented it.
It is also helpful in my future as well.
I learned many things like how to write blog, and we work on our patent passions and make 3 charts.
Main achievement for me that when I faced an interview with our facilitator, and it was and I got a really good feedback from ma'am.
They had done a lot of hard work. They have spent their whole day, whole night for completing, for making their task really fantastic. Whether it is PPT and skit and the infographic. So there are many tasks which students have to do. They didn't ask me, ma'am, how to do this.
There was a time where we made skits, so Team Achievers made the skit of TikTok You Are Died.
Are not allowed this street.
I am from another planet. I don't know about your rules. Please give me another chance. Now I have to go again in past.
Welcome, the city of
House of Loyalist made deep in the dome of jungle.
Run! Which way? There are two paths leading away where you are. The wall are weak.
And I made means House of Reformer made the night in Werewolf Woods. Look at there! It's a huge werewolf.
What should we do?
Please think fast.
Kevin, please tell how to save our life.
Run this side.
Memorable day was the last class of deer. That day we really enjoyed a lot.
Because on this day we played a funny game and we all enjoyed it by making funny poses.
Some funny scene also happened through an activity which was conducted by ma'am. When Deepak jumped 3 times like frog, Rajni squared 5 times. Rohit did moonwalk, and then Rohit, Akansha and Priya they did rub their tummy through their hands. So these activities were so funny.
I can say that the FBA and the DL program gives me a sweet memories to live a happy life.
The environment that FEA is providing is very friendly and polite in nature.
I got a very good friend. In this journey, I made so many friends, like the member of Night Riders, All Stars, and the Warriors.
We all get very good or friendly friends.
So they were really nice and they always helped each other, and also they are still helping. And
There were some students who always motivated one another to take class.
They all are very caring and cheerful because
when there was trouble in understanding,
they always motivated other students and me without any partiality.
Everything was memorable.
I am so happy I had the opportunity to become a student of the FEA.
while DL classes, there was a person with us, and she was really backbone for us because she taught us so many things. Yes, I'm talking about my facilitator, that is Gulshan Khatun ma'am, and she was really nice, and she is nice still. And yeah, she taught us so many things, and she always helped us. And whenever we felt like we are lacking somewhere, so she told us that yeah, you have to work on that. So I'm really thankful towards her.
I'm extremely thankful to our dear facilitator, Ms. Gulshan Khatun ma'am, for her blessings and her support throughout.
She is very good, she is very polite person. She used to motivate us.
Really appreciated me and always give the best wishes to me.
You accept me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving opportunity
I would like to thank all.
Thank you everyone, and thank you ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here, I just want to say thank to all of you for making the journey of FEA fruitful, lovable, also enjoyable. I really liked the journey with you, and I'm going to miss you a lot. Also, there are some of the students. Deepak is always ready to help me. He is a helping hand for me. Always, still he is helping me in my new sessions. So thanks a lot, Deepak, for helping me a lot.
Thank you, ma'am, and it means a lot to me.
Bye bye. Take care, everybody. Enjoy.